Oh, hi there. This is Kevin, the local window guy. And yes, I'm out here in Langley, and I just got out of interesting appointment. I met a very nice couple. They're out in a farm, and they're looking at replacing 5 windows on their barn. They were having issues for their horses. It's getting a little cold at certain times and a little hot during the summertime, so they want to insulate it a little more. So we're going to put some good energy efficient windows on their barn, as well as in their garage. They've transformed their garage into a rehearsal area, and they're finding that it's getting really hot and cold in the winter and summertime. They want some energy efficient windows in there. They also want to insulate the sound too as well, so automatically putting in these brand new windows will help with the sound. Then they've got a sliding glass door for their home. They're looking at replacing that too. So all in all, that's it. If you have any questions or would like to book a time, Kevin, the local window guy, feel free to click on the information below. Take care. Bye.